guys, today I'm here at the Oak Park Cemetery in Claremont. So it's said that this place is really haunted. People say they've seen apparitions here. They hear voices, whatnot. So we're out here tonight and we're gonna try to see what they've been getting. So right now I'm gonna start with a EVP recording. So we're gonna actually go ahead and do that, but I'm gonna turn on night shot just so it's not blinding me. Okay, so here we go. If there's anybody out here, can you please say something in this recorder? I'm gonna listen back to this.
If there's anybody out here, can you please say something in this recorder? There's somebody out here with us.
There's something right there. It's like they're screaming right there. It's like you want something and then, I don't know, it's weird. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It sounds like you won't go, or something like that. It sounds weird. What I want to do now is do a ghost box session using a shack hack probably. Hello, is there somebody here? I'm fine. Who said I'm fine? Who is this? Diego? Who's here with me? Can you tell me your name? Justin? What is your name? Scott? Hello, Scott. How are you? Cool. How many spirits are here with us? 10? 10 again. It's dark. Hello, who's this? Justin again. Mary. Hello, how are you? God? Dave? There's a lot of spirits here. What is the name that I'm pointing at? It says Elroy. Can you say that? No. I'm gonna try another speaker because this one's a little too low. Hello, who's this? Hello? Are there any spirits here that were in the war? If you were, which war were you in? Can you tell me what country you were in at the time? Here? Alright, I'm going to turn this one off for right now, okay? Thank you if you came through. Goodbye. Sorry guys, I got the PSP7 here. I'm pretty sure many of you guys know that I used this before in one of my videos. Most of my videos, actually. Hi, who's this? Said my name, I heard you. Hello, anybody here? Angel? Prison. Sort of hide. Hello, who's this? It's that energy. Sup? Hi, who's this? How many spirits are here with us? Alright. Who's here? What's your name? Ethan? Are you ghosts or spirits? I'm gonna try another box. It's a detuned box. So, this one. This is the same thing. It's the detuned PSB7 spirit box. Hello, who's this? Hello, is anybody here? Who's this? Who? Hello? Hi. Who is this? What's your name? My name is Miguel. I come in peace. I mean no harm. I get that name a lot. And hello? You died?
Hi.
Hi, who's this? Alright, well I'm gonna end this. Thank you if you came through. Bye. Can you try and tell me bye? Yeah, I don't really get scared easily when it comes to this stuff. I find it more fascinating than anything. Anything. Alright, so we're gonna move somewhere else to a different part of the cemetery. I'm gonna do an EVP session. Okay. Hello spirits, I come in peace. My name is Miguel. I just want to try and communicate with you. I'm gonna turn on this recorder. As you can see